What's going on, guys? We have a new player in the dynamic team. More exactly, we have two new players. Basically, it's a set for you to make your own Greywash. We have the classic, the traditional black, and we have the mixing, okay? So you guys can create your own version of your Greywash, so you can put your own print on your pieces. This is the way that I do it on my pieces, so check it out. I'm always saying that the simple stuff work and the complicated stuff simply don't work, okay? So this is the way that I do it. In all my tattoos, I use this same preparation. I use one ink cap with pure black, their classic black by Dynamic. I use 3/4 or 75% of the ink cap with black. Don't get crazy if you don't think that you have 76%. Don't get crazy about that. Don't worry. If you got it close, that's good enough. And on the third ink cap, I use pretty much 25% of the ink cap with black. Let me put some more here. And this is for my regular black and gray tattoos. If I'm working on a portrait, I'm gonna add another ink cap with just a couple drops of pure black. Remember the classic dynamic black, okay? The super black is for black or solid black, okay? So now we have the mixing solution, and we just add it to each one to the top, and that's basically it. You don't have to mix it. These two products, they go along together so nicely that you don't have to mix them, okay? You can if you want to, but you don't really need to, okay? So that's it, guys. That's basically the way that I do it. Again, I use only 4 ink caps, one with pure black, then 75%, 50%, 25% for my regular black and gray work, and then I add another ink cap if I'm working on portraits. If I'm working portrait realism, I use another ink cap with just a couple drops of black and the mixing solution, okay? So this is the way that I do it. And with this box in this presentation, you're gonna have this QR code. You can scan it and you're gonna find not only my way to do it, but the way that other amazing artists, like how they do it, okay? So you can find it, scan it, and make sure you click the link below so you can get yours. Peace out, big love, bye bye.